Lagenia, and I am so glad that you guys are here today. In today's video, I am going to be doing a product review of Livlo's Biscuits Keto Baking Mix. I was told that if you love Red Lobster Biscuits, then you're gonna love this Keto Biscuit Baking Mix. So we're gonna give it a try today. This baking mix, I purchased this on Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below to my Amazon store. Go on and purchase some for yourself. I'd love to see what you guys think as well. Before we start baking, let's go over some of the macros in this biscuit mix. It has per serving, there are 10 servings per container. It is 140 calories. 12 grams of fat. Total carbs is 7 grams. Dietary fiber is 5. So that means per serving, it is 2 net carbs per serving. So that sounds pretty good. Now the next thing is going to be the taste. Let's see how this tastes. So this is definitely a taste test. I'm not going to be testing my ketones before or after this, but we are going to test this out for the taste. So I'll let you guys know exactly what it tastes like. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this video. All right, everybody, so the ingredients for this are really simple. It says that all we're going to need are 2 eggs beaten. We're going to need 1/4 cup of butter, cold and cubed. So this is cold butter and I've already cubed it, so it's ready to go. And then of course we have our baking mix. I've preheated my oven for 350 degrees, so it's gonna be heating up while we're getting our biscuit mix together. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we've got our baking mix going into our mixing bowl. All right, and we're going to put our cold butter in the pastry mix. All right, and it is suggested that we use either a fork or a pastry cutter to press the cold butter into our dry mix. I do not have a pastry cutter. I'm gonna make sure I get one of those. I don't do a whole lot of baking, so I don't have one, but now I wanna get one, so. We're gonna use the fork, which was the other suggestion, and we're to press the cold butter into the baking mix. It says it's going to be uneven and that is perfectly okay. The fork was not cutting it for me, so I went in there with my hands and incorporated the butter. It was a lot easier, and plus I did not have the pastry cutter, so my hands made that process a lot easier. So next we need to add in our egg, and that egg needs to be a beaten egg already. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and crack these 2 eggs here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, mix our egg. Put that on again. That in. All right, guys, we're gonna also add to this 1/3 cup of shredded cheese, and I am using a mild cheddar cheese. We're gonna add in about 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, pinch of salt, and a pinch of Italian herbs going in. All right, let's give this a mix. So our dough is mixed. Now it's time to put it on our baking sheet. All right, so now we're gonna scoop these onto a baking sheet. To put this in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. All right, guys, it has been 15 minutes and our garlic butter biscuits are ready. We're going to drizzle some delicious butter over the tops of these and give it a taste. The garlic butter biscuits are ready. Let's give this a taste. All right, got one here. Let's open it on up, see what it looks like on the inside. It certainly smells like a delicious garlic butter biscuit. You guys see the inside of it? Can you see? It smells amazing. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Oh my. These are amazing. Definitely comparable to Red Lobster's garlic butter biscuits. Definitely buttery. You can taste the garlic. You can taste the Italian seasoning. You can definitely taste the cheese. Oh my goodness. This tastes magnificent. So, taste test. Livlo definitely passes the taste test. Let's look at the ingredients. Almond flour, soluble fiber, baking powder, fine sea salt. So it does contain almonds, guys. Grain free. That's it. IMO free. This is great. That's the ingredients. Almond flour, soluble fiber, baking powder, fine sea salt. Contains no gluten, soy, wheat, peanuts, added sugars, or preservatives. That sounds mighty good to me. And again, it is 2 net carbs per serving. It tastes delicious. I will let you guys know if it knocks me out of ketosis, but it definitely passed the taste test. So, on my scale of 1 to 5, I give this one a 5. Delicious, guys. I recommend you give it a taste. All right, guys, that is it for another product review here on Sincerely Legenia. These biscuits are amazing. They taste so good, and I do recommend you guys give them a try. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can go on and purchase some for yourself. If you do, be sure to come back and let me know how you like them. You guys, it's always a pleasure. Thanks for joining me today right here on Sincerely Legenia. Until the next time, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.